Meaning of Hawaiian shirt.
Hawaiian shirt.
Hawaiian shirt.
Hawaiian shirt.
Hawaiian shirt. A Hawaiian shirt is a type of colorful, printed shirt originally inspired by the traditional clothing of Hawaii. It typically features bold, vibrant patterns depicting flowers, palm trees, or other tropical scenes. The shirts are often short-sleeved and made from lightweight materials such as cotton or silk. They gained popularity in the mid-20th century as casual wear for men due to their relaxed and comfortable style. Today, Hawaiian shirts are still worn as a fashion statement, particularly in tropical or beach settings, and are often associated with vacation or leisure activities.